Bydgoszcz, located in northern Poland, is known for its picturesque canals and rivers, making it a significant hub for water transport since the Middle Ages. The city is situated at the confluence of the Brda and Vistula rivers, which has historically made it a strategic location for trade and transportation. Bydgoszcz has a population of approximately 350,000, making it one of the largest cities in Poland. The city is part of the Kuyawian-Pomeranian Voivodeship, which was established in 1999 after Poland's administrative reform. Bydgoszcz is home to the Bydgoszcz Canal, constructed in the 18th century, connecting the Vistula and Oder rivers and facilitating trade between the Baltic Sea and the interior of Poland. The city has a rich musical heritage and hosts the prestigious Bydgoszcz Musical Theatre, which features a diverse program of opera, ballet, and musical performances. Bydgoszcz is known for its beautiful Art Nouveau architecture, with many buildings showcasing intricate details and designs from the early 20th century. The city features the famous Mill Island, a picturesque area that houses historic buildings, parks, and restaurants along the Brda River. Bydgoszcz is often referred to as the City of Water due to its numerous waterways, including canals and rivers, which are integral to its identity. The city has a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and music festivals that attract both locals and tourists. Bydgoszcz hosts the annual Bydgoszcz Opera Festival, which celebrates opera and classical music, featuring performances by renowned artists. The city is also known for the Bydgoszcz Film Festival, showcasing both Polish and international films and fostering local talent. Bydgoszcz has a strong sporting tradition, with facilities for various sports, including football, basketball, and athletics. The city is home to the Zawisza Bydgoszcz Sports Club, which has a rich history and has produced numerous athletes at national and international levels. Bydgoszcz's historical old town features charming cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and the iconic Gothic-style Cathedral of St. Martin and St. Nicholas. The city is also home to the Bydgoszcz Synagogue, one of the few surviving synagogues in Poland, showcasing the city's multicultural history. Bydgoszcz is known for its lively markets, including the Bydgoszcz Market Hall, where locals can find fresh produce, meats, and local delicacies. The city has a strong educational presence, with several universities and colleges, including the Kazimierz Wielki University and the University of Technology and Life Sciences. Bydgoszcz is famous for its picturesque parks, such as the Kazimierz Wielki Park, which offers walking paths, gardens, and recreational areas. The city hosts the annual Bydgoszcz Reggae Festival, attracting music lovers from all over the country and beyond. Bydgoszcz is known for its diverse culinary scene, with traditional Polish dishes available alongside international cuisine in various restaurants and cafes. The city has a unique tradition of producing regional pastries, including the famous Bydgoszcz gingerbread, which is a local specialty. Bydgoszcz's historical significance is reflected in its many museums, including the Bydgoszcz Regional Museum, which showcases the city's history and culture. The city has a vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to a diverse crowd. Bydgoszcz is a popular destination for cycling enthusiasts, with numerous bike paths and scenic routes along the rivers and through parks. The city is known for its annual Bydgoszcz Marathon, which attracts runners from across the globe and promotes fitness and community engagement. Bydgoszcz's unique blend of history and modernity is evident in its architecture, with a mix of Gothic, Baroque, and contemporary buildings. The city has a rich industrial history, having been an important center for the timber and textile industries in the 19th century. Bydgoszcz is also known for its breweries, with a growing craft beer scene that offers a variety of local brews. The city has a strong connection to the arts, with various art schools and institutions that nurture local talent. Bydgoszcz is famous for its annual Bydgoszcz International Water Sports Festival, celebrating water sports and attracting athletes from around the world. The city has been recognized for its efforts in sustainable urban development, promoting green spaces and environmentally friendly initiatives. Bydgoszcz boasts a number of historic bridges, including the beautiful Bernardinsky Bridge, which is a popular spot for photography. The city is home to the Bydgoszcz Philharmonic, a leading institution for classical music that hosts concerts and performances throughout the year. Bydgoszcz has a diverse population, with a mix of ethnicities and cultures contributing to its vibrant community life. The city has been the setting for various films and television shows, showcasing its scenic beauty and historical significance. Bydgoszcz is known for its educational programs focused on environmental conservation and sustainability, engaging local schools and communities. The city has a lively arts and crafts scene, with local artisans producing handmade goods and traditional crafts. Bydgoszcz is famous for its beautiful fountains, including the iconic Fountain of the Four Seasons, located in the city center. The city has a well-developed public transportation system, making it easy to navigate and explore different neighborhoods. Bydgoszcz is home to several annual fairs and festivals, celebrating local culture, food, and traditions. The city has a rich literary history, being the birthplace of several notable Polish writers and poets. Bydgoszcz's historic canals are lined with charming cafes and restaurants, providing a perfect setting for a relaxing meal or drink. Bydgoszcz has a long-standing tradition of hosting international conferences and events, attracting professionals and experts from various fields.